It's important to keep your contact information up to date. This ensures we have the correct details to reach out to you about your banking services. You can easily update your address, phone numbers, and email on your online banking account. To begin, log into online banking at eastcoasteu.ca. Once you are logged in, on the left side of your screen, find the menu and choose Profile and Preferences. Then select Change Contact Information. Next, complete the form and make any necessary changes. Once you select the type of information you want to update, the form will expand to allow you to change your address, phone number, or email. Remember to complete all required fields, including when will this change take effect and when should we call you. Once you're done, click Next. Take a moment to confirm the changes. Click Submit once complete. Great news! Your new contact details are being sent to our team to be updated, and changes should be reflected within the next 2 business days. Thanks for being a member of East Coast Credit Union. We appreciate your business.